In today's fast-paced industrial world, reliable digital communication is the key to success. Introducing Coolgear, your gateway to seamless connectivity. We understand the challenges faced when it comes to connecting commercial devices and industrial peripherals. That's why we've developed a comprehensive range of cutting-edge USB hubs designed to streamline your operations and revolutionize your industrial connectivity. Whether you're connecting keyboards, printers, and scanners, or more industrial peripherals like sensors and CNC machines, we have the perfect solution for your next install. With multiple ports and robust construction, our USB hubs ensure reliable connections and efficient data transfers. From desktop and surface mounting workstation hubs to rack-mounted hubs for server racks and DIN-rail mountable solutions, we have the expertise to customize and provide the ideal USB hub solution for your environment. Our hubs are built to withstand even the harshest industrial environments and perform reliably when operating 24/7. Experience extensive protection for your USB hub and connected peripherals with wide temperature ranges, overcurrent, surge, ESD, and other protections. Ready for your next install? Whether you're fitting a self-service kiosk, populating a server rack, or simply creating an efficient home workstation, upgrade your industrial connectivity today with Coolgear's state-of-the-art USB hubs. Experience the power of seamless communication and unlock the full potential of your operations. Discover the Coolgear difference. Visit our website at coolgear.com to explore our full range of USB hubs paired with thorough product documentation and extensive technical support from our on-site engineers. Partner with Coolgear and revolutionize your connectivity.